Is your Dacia Sandero's radio acting up? Common issues include a frozen screen, unresponsive buttons, or Bluetooth connectivity problems. A factory reset can often solve these problems by restoring the radio to its original settings. This clears out corrupted data and software glitches without affecting your car's core systems. A radio reset clears personalized settings like saved stations and paired devices. It's like a software reboot, not a full system wipe. It primarily addresses software conflicts and bugs. For 2011-2020 models, you'll likely deal with a 1-DIN or touchscreen media nav system. Before you begin, ensure your car is in ACC accessory mode. This provides power to the radio without draining the battery. This is crucial for a safe and successful reset. Many Dacia Sandero models can be reset using a button combination. Hold down the volume up and menu buttons simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. Check your owner's manual for the specific combination for your model year. If you can access the radio's menu, navigate to Settings or System. This is often found in the main menu options. Within the Settings or System menu, look for an option labeled Factory Reset or Restore Defaults. This will be listed among other configuration choices. Select the Factory Reset or Restore Defaults option. Then confirm the reset when the radio prompts you for confirmation. This usually requires pressing Yes or OK. If the button combination or menu reset fails, try disconnecting the car battery for a hard reset. Use a wrench to disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Wear gloves and safety glasses for protection. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before reconnecting the positive terminal first. This hard reset clears the radio's memory, similar to restarting your car's operating system. Note, you may need your radio code afterwards if one was set. This is the anti-theft code that protects your radio. If resetting the radio doesn't fix the problem, it could indicate a more serious issue, like a wiring fault or a faulty radio unit. In this case, consult a qualified mechanic or Dacia dealership. Looking ahead, keeping your radio firmware updated is crucial for compatibility with modern devices. Some newer Dacia Sandero models now support smart resets through mobile apps, such as Dacia's Link app, allowing you to perform resets remotely without tools. Regular maintenance, like inspecting antennas and cleaning components, helps prevent radio issues. Always avoid installing unsupported software, which can cause glitches. Remember, while DIY resets can save you money by avoiding dealership fees, safety should always come first. Disconnect batteries properly and consult professionals if unsure.